I think it's time to stop gatekeeping this playlist, man. Okay, so it's called Summertime Fine. In the description, I say POV. You're finally dancing with your summer crush. The idea of this playlist is the songs that I would love to dance to with a girl I spotted from across the room at a summer party. You feel me? Saw you from across the room part was hilarious. But if you got a crush, if you got a girlfriend, whatever, just imagine y'all at a party, right? And y'all lock eyes for the fucking 5th time. Nobody made a move yet. You get the opportunity to dance with it and these songs come on. And the music is blasting and it's vibing. And y'all are vibing with it. So let's go. Let me show y'all the songs. I'm gonna put this shit on shuffle as always and let's vibe. What's up? Okay, starting off like this.
I see the people. You know I got the Jones for my own Rashida. Can you put me on with the Nagarita? She gon' pull on me, pull like weed, entice me. She my queen. She my queen.
It's like once that first beat drop, the vibe is officially fucking set. Like y'all might as well just marry each other right now. Ooh, hold on, this that shit.
I can be a fantasy, why you dancing alone tonight, yeah. But you can be my majesty, got me running for you. Baby, you wanna give it, I wanna give to you. I know you wanna get it, but at least I know the truth. But you won't go down with me, 'cause basically I just wanna run with you. I gotta get you, 'cause I just wanna run. Let's find some place to go. It's nice, girl, if you want me. Don't you want me? Don't you want me? Don't you want me?
You heard the first words of the song. Oh my gosh, this feel like I'm storytelling through a fucking playlist. Like, who the fuck does, nigga? I'm the go to this shit, man. I'm the go to this shit. The first word of the song is I could be your fantasy. Why you dancing alone tonight? Yeah. I wish I could sing just like Sid, but I can't. And I'm right here, my nigga. Like, I don't even gotta be your fantasy. Come on, dance with me right now, man. This was dead ass like a no-brainer to put in this playlist. Next up, ooh, we vibing, bruh.
Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. I don't need nobody, you and me together. And mama said don't do it, and you're gonna do it. We gon' make a movie. Listen to Alina singing underneath the palm trees. You can leave your worries. Listen to the waves. So you wanna get so hot, breathing in like in the night. Listen to the waves. I can be a fantasy. Alina, yeah, she's under me. I'm so obsessed with you, girl. You're my world. I can make a list of freaky shit I wanna do.
I can make a list of freaky shit I wanna do while I whisper to you. Like, come on, my nigga. Like, you can want to do these things off of physical attraction, but that list, when you really feeling somebody, bro, the list gets even longer and longer. Shit you thinking you would never do in your life. Underneath the palm tree. Okay, what's the next song? Simple. Come on, my nigga. You really thought I was gonna make this playlist without this song?
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean that it's real, but once of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. Even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Bruh, I don't care how popular this song is. This song will always be a fucking vibe, bro. Nah, low key, you see how I flipped the fucking script on y'all? Hold on. I need my soundboard. Where my bombs at? Where my fire at? Most of these songs is men singing to girls. This is a girl perspective. She wanna be my girl. That's why the song called "Be Your Girl." Not her trying to be with me. Y'all fucking get it, bruh.
You gotta feel me. I just wanna be your girl. Even though it's me. You gotta feel me.
This song is so fucking fun, bro. Like, this shit gets your energy going. Like, there's no way you hear this at a party and you not dancing, bro. Get your ass on the dance floor. Get your ass off the wall. Wait a minute, the connection. Hold on, let me find the song. Oh my gosh, the storytelling throughout the video about to be crazy.
It's so infectious, feel it running through your veins. You can't affect it, no, you love it, I love it. Two-step a little bit, you feel the 808. You move left, move right, rock your body side to side, break it down, shake that, break that, catch your breath, all that, moving right. Get your ass up off the wall, swing that thing to me, I got it, dancing to the morning, moving close to feel the rush. Get your ass up off the wall, swing that thing to me, I got it, dancing to the morning.
On live, Flower Child got like the most songs on this playlist. I'm not even gonna lie. I love this song, man.
Sometimes I gotta get away, wake up and down with the main thing I don't do. Sublime, I tell her straight away, deep, go deep in the 808, boom. You know my soul, I'm allergic to negativity. I shoot, look at you. See when you met the ooh, look at you. Fucking like I'm pissed out till I get out. Take a little pissed off in the mission. Shawty poppin', she a wheel on the screw. We can do whatever you wanna do. Running off fumes and a few brews in the room. Black swan born on black truth, but the groove black wing swarm. Running my shit on the roof, baby, come fly with me. Let's Gucci Wally in a Maserati shit.
Oh my god, I'm just imagining me like, yo, I'm imagining me like, cause this song, I really fucking love this song. As you can see, I just rapped the whole shit. But like, hold on, nah. Imagine you rapping this song and then your crush behind you rapping this song. Like, y'all might as well get married, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm bringing marriage back, my nigga. People be against marriage, but once y'all go to this fucking event and actually experience this shit, y'all gonna get married, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, love of your life is gonna be here.
Like the silk pillows down on the bed for your head. You a vet, I'm a dog. Treat me up on the bed. Silk pillows keep my head sipping some
I'd rather be with you, sipping some ENJ. Come on, bro. Like, what are we talking about, bro? This beat, you gotta dance to it. It's another one that you gotta dance to. You gotta groove to it at least. What we got up next?
Crowd your house with clouds all day.
Damn!
Drink up all your lips, my name. Ain't no we had time to wait. It's something, make a birthday, break bread and muffins. Firm on the fur, hide it, go far hard to hide it. Just a starlight. You can't dim me down, you can't burn me out. Starlight. Okay.
Nigga wanna start, let me show you some. Stay the night today. Tell me how to go, being on the spotlight. How you gonna meet me halfway?
Starlight. You can't dim me down, you can't burn me out.
Bro, this shit's so hard. This one song inspired me to make this entire playlist. Literally, bro. Like, every time I hear this song, I just think of that setting. Like, I would love to be listening to this song. Just vibing to this song, dancing, grooving with the love. Like, come on, man. Bro, that's exactly what I think of when I hear this song. And I think it's really this fucking beat, bro. Monty is amazing, bro. How does he do it? I don't know. Next up, what we got, man? Because I could run this whole song back, but I ain't going to do that. Nah, gang. This shit perfect. Bro, this is the best song for this predicament. I'll lie to you not.
Can I talk to you? Girl, I seen you dancing right here with your crew. It was your smile that brought me into you. But maybe it's the way you did your moves. Do you have a boo? And if not, then I wanna dance with you. Darling, tell me, can I talk to you? I seen you dancing from across the room, and told myself I gotta know you. I gotta know you. I gotta know you. I gotta know you. Let me know what's the deal or something. I'm trying to chill or something. I wanna know who you are. You're so fly to me, I swear it. And you got style, yo. I love the way you dress for me. Deep combos on a late night. When you smoke, you can take flight. If you don't, then that's alright. But if I have your permission, you can be the braille to my blind eyes. Alright, can I talk to you?
This song's so cold, bro. But like this nigga said, if I have your permission, you could be the braille to my blind eyes. You can be the braille to my blind eyes, my nigga. Huh? Y'all niggas is not really in love like this, bruh. If I see y'all dancing to this, bro, y'all gotta go home, bruh. Y'all gotta go home. Get a room or something, my nigga. Actually, I'm inviting everybody to leave but them two. Y'all can have a fucking place, bruh. For the night, you feel me? This shit's so good, hold on.
Sometimes people say we just run away to the our mistakes. Make us great.
This is so hard, right?
All you want to playground.
Oh my god! This my shit, hold on.
Sasa, I'm finna go Sasa. She want me to treat her like a slut, so I'm finna go Sasa. Back shot it, toss it up. She a boss, but I'm finna boss her.
Bro, this song's so hard.
I feel like Beyonce, I'm finna upgrade you.
Whoa.
Make it done good, put it work on you. Buy you new things, put some sauce on you. Brand new bitch with the brand new. I can change the whole life. This is the money, but never see your lights. We get high to get by. Dick ain't hang, the beat don't bend if the dick ain't hang. The beat don't bend if the dick ain't hang. The beat don't bend if the dick ain't hang. The beat don't bang. Sauce up, I'm finna go sauce up. Like beep, I'm gonna replay you.
Bro, Kate Trinata for cracking this beat, bro. This beat is so addicting, bro. I love it so much. I treat my nigga like my bitch.
I treat my bitch like my nigga. I put the finger on the trigger.
Literally, bro, this song will bring the party up, bro. Like, Just the energy this song bring is amazing, bruh. Like, yeah, he talking about some sexual shit, but like, come on, you cannot get in this situation if you don't salsa up, bro. As simple as that, my nigga, come on. The pieces are piecing together.
These lips can't wait to taste your skin. Woo! Baby, no. And these eyes, can't wait.
Bro, this shit hitting, bro. These songs hitting right now, bro.
Just let my love, just let my love adorn you. Please, baby, yeah, you gotta know, you know that I adore you. You just gotta let my love adorn you. Let it just sit down. You gotta know, you know that I adore you.
Hold up.
Let my love adore you, baby.
Fucking Miguel, bruh. Amazing. Where are you in 2025? Where are you in this decade, actually, my nigga? I need some more bangers, bro.
Aphrodisiac potion. People just say, oh, know what this is. 'Cause I'm lonely, you're lonely too. Exactly what you're just have
Greatest song of fucking all time, bro. I don't give a fuck. This song is so fucking good, bro. Music really don't get that much better than this, bro. Literally.
I'm lonely, you're lonely too. Exactly what you're just I wanna be alone with you. Your love is so comforting. I'm lonely, you're lonely too. Exactly what you're just I wanna be alone with you. Your love is so comforting.
This shit is amazing. This is diamonds falling out of my ear right now. Like, bro, phenomenal fucking music. If it was my choice, this song would have 7 Grammys, bruh. Oh, what y'all know about this? Yo, this is a sleeper fucking Wale song. I love this song, bro.
Never trust a big butt and a smile. I've been sipping poison that's brown. I've been here, but I've been low key. Can't nobody say see me around. I got circumstances that got my circumference working backwards. My circle small as a barbershop in the Rasta mansion. Locking with you as I unravel the possibilities. When not with you, I just miss your body. I got your energy. But I think the universe is speaking to the world. Right. We at Westlake on the late night.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Like, bro, when I first made this, I'm like, okay, Netflix can do say next. Like, bro, when I think of this vibe, bro, this is one of the first songs I think of.
pizza on the way, baby. I'm trying to lay. I bought a bouquet and a tree fire, and I'm feeling like we should dip the duck away. And Netflix and do say, if I do say so myself, that that's a creature. Pizza on the way, baby. I'm trying to lay. I bought a bouquet and a tree fire. Pink candy, Pepto, Bismol, teen named Callie, the ass on Sunset Hill, a beautiful view. I'm pookie about that coochie for real. Okay, cool. Yes, I love the way you North to soul, you know that ass look like a fucking grapefruit. And then I'm Porsche, so when I'm up in that woods up, you get whooped up. Arch that thing like where I'm from. Been on my brain is serotonin, living la vida with my la vida, feel like Seti. Liberate your limbs, eliminate your limits, let me.
Liberate your limbs, eliminate your limits, let me. Come on, bro. Liberate your limbs, eliminate your limits. That's fire. Fire, man.
She likes me, no boy, I get it already. I got a pizza on the way, baby. I'm trying to lay. I bought a bouquet and a tree fire. She made me. Shorty text that come soon. Baby, that nigga come soon. If you want this, my song, better zoom, baby, try what you do. Shorty text that come soon.
What? Pull up.
Baby, yeah, nigga, come soon.
What's up?
If you want this, my song, better zoom, baby, try what you do. Hurry
Oh my gosh, y'all. Hey, look, men, I promise you, if you with a girl and like, you know, y'all just getting to know each other and y'all vibing at nighttime, bruh, turn this on, bruh. Just turn this song on, bruh. If she know this song, great fucking impression, my nigga. She might just drop them draws right fucking there, my nigga. But nah, deadass, this is like the perfect nighttime groove, bro. Like when I hear this song, I straight think about string lights at night. Just the vibe that shit sets is so fucking perfect for this song, bro. Amazing, man. Amazing. 5 stars, man. Perfect for this playlist, man.
champagne in the lobby, ladies in the lounge. Finer than a mother in their finest gown. We wanna do something. You can move something. Get up and groove. Don't stand and do nothing. Let's have a cool function. We can lose. Don't be wall hugging. Get your ass jumping. Get up and move. Let's get low. Nice like it. Wish this day would never end. Nice like it.
I never been to a party before.
I don't know what to say, but I couldn't let you get away. I was admiring your pretty face.
In my house, getting real, I got a pool. Millions in my bag if you wanna fly away.
You're my palace girl, everything you ever wanted. Come into my palace girl, even if you don't wanna stay, it's okay.
I said we having a good time tonight, y'all. We gotta have fun like this in a while. Now let's try.
I don't know what to say, but I know I have to give or take. A little weed if you wanna place, a couple drinks if you wanna play, wings on my back if you wanna fly away. You're my palace girl, everything you ever wanted. You're my palace girl.
Can I get a hell yeah? Can I get a hell yeah?
bro. This song is so fucking good. How the fuck does it get better than this later on in the song? I don't know. But the first part is a 10 out of 10. The second part is like a 12 out of 10. This shit don't make sense. Greatest song of all time, bro. Greatest song of all time, bro. I gotta run that hook one more time, because that hook is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He on fire. He on fire.
Couple games if you wanna play. Wings on my back if you wanna fly away. Everything you ever wanted coming to a palace, girl. Even if you don't understand.
I'm sorry, I gotta run that bitch back from the top, bro. This song is so hard. This song hard as fuck. Oh my gosh, he's on fire. Somebody get this nigga some water. Oh my gosh.
Y'all ain't never been to a party before? I don't know what to say, but I couldn't let you get away. I was admiring your pretty face. Into my house, you could get away.
Let me know what your favorite songs is in this video. Let me know what songs you would put in this playlist, because I might fuck around, listen to it, agree, and then add it to it. If you enjoyed this playlist, you can check this out on Spotify, Apple Music. The link will be in the description below. Thank y'all for tuning in, and now it's time for the Waviest Boss to tune out. Love y'all motherfuckers so much. See y'all next time.